A few weeks ago, a father told me something that really stuck with me. Said I feel like I'm either too strict or too soft. I try to be patient, but then I explode. I set rules, but then I break them myself. And now, I don't know what my child expects from me anymore. And you know what? He's not alone. So many parents today are doing their best. They read books, take parenting classes, and give their kids more opportunities than ever before. But still, they feel like something's missing, like their children aren't growing into the kind of young adults they hoped for. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful, yet most overlooked, things we owe our children. Consistency. Not perfection, not control, but the quiet, steady presence that helps kids feel safe, confident, and ready to grow. So today, let's take a closer look at what consistency really means in parenting. It's not about being perfect. It's not about being strict all the time. It's about being predictable in the way we lead, guide, and respond to our children. Because when kids know what to expect from us when our words match our actions, and our rules don't change with our mood, they feel safe. And when they feel safe, they grow. In this video, we'll explore why consistency builds trust and emotional security. What inconsistent parenting looks like in everyday life. How to create a united front between parents. And how small, steady actions can make a big difference. Let's dive in. Why consistency matters. When adults are consistent in their leadership, children feel safe. Consistency builds trust. It helps kids feel secure enough to take risks, try new things, and grow because they know what to expect. Let me give you a simple example. If your child knows that every night after dinner, they're expected to bring their dishes to the sink before going out to play, they'll eventually do it on their own. No nagging, no drama, just routine. But if one day you let it slide, and the next day you scold them for forgetting, they get confused. They don't know what the rules really are. That confusion creates stress, and over time, it can lead to anxiety, frustration, or even rebellion. Inconsistent parenting looks like this. Saying no screen time after 8 p.m., but letting it slide on weekends. And then getting angry when they expect it every night. Grounding your teen for breaking a rule, but canceling the punishment because they apologized or because you feel guilty. One parent enforcing a rule while the other quietly ignores it or even undermines it. These mixed signals send a message. The rules don't really matter. When rules don't matter, kids stop trusting them and stop trusting you. Consistency builds confidence and independence. Children need structure. They need to know what's expected of them. When routines and expectations are clear and steady, kids can move through their day with more independence. They don't need constant reminders or supervision. For example, a child who knows the bedtime routine, brush teeth, read a book, lights out, can start winding down on their own. A teen who knows the family rule about curfew doesn't need to negotiate it every weekend. This kind of predictability gives kids a sense of control over their lives. That's powerful. Consistency also builds emotional safety. When kids can predict how their parents will respond, they feel emotionally safe. They know what will make you proud and what will disappoint you. They know what happens when they break a rule, and they know it will happen every time, not just when you're tired or in a bad mood. This emotional safety helps them regulate their own behavior. They don't have to guess. They don't have to walk on eggshells. They can focus on growing, learning, and becoming themselves. What happens without consistency? Without consistency, parenting becomes a roller coaster. Kids feel like they're living on a seesaw. What's okay today might not be okay tomorrow. That unpredictability can lead to anxiety, anger, depression, poor focus, overreactions to small problems, a constant need for attention or reassurance. And in many families, there's a pattern I call good cop, bad cop. One parent is strict, the other is lenient. One enforces rules, the other bends them. This creates confusion not just for the child, but also between the parents. To be consistent, both parents need to agree on the core rules and values of the household. That might mean compromise. One parent may need to loosen up a bit, the other may need to step up more. But the key is, work as a team. They don't cancel each other out. Final thought. So if you're wondering what your child needs most from you right now, It might not be more activities, more rewards, or even more discipline. It might simply be this: clarity, connection, and consistency. These three things, when practiced daily, can transform your parenting and help your child grow into a confident, grounded, and emotionally healthy person. Let's walk this path together. In the first two parts of this series, we talked about two things: parents owe their children clarity and transparency. Today, we added a third: consistency, the quiet but powerful force that helps children feel safe, confident, and ready to grow. If these ideas resonate with you, I invite you to subscribe to the Mindful Parenting channel so you won't miss the final part of this series, where we'll explore the fourth and perhaps most surprising thing parents owe their children. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever struggled with being consistent as a parent? Or maybe you grew up in a home where the rules changed from day to day. How did that affect you? Share your story in the comments. Your experience might be exactly what another parent needs to hear today. Let's keep learning, growing, and walking this journey together.